Welcome to apartment 1106 at 515 Clarkson. Now this guy is our A2 floor plan, 702 square feet. Immediately on your right hand side is our entryway closet. Now this guy is about 3.5 feet wide here. Working through, we have a bar top lounge area here. And then just a very stout living dining room area here, connecting out towards your balcony. Now being on the 11th floor, you do get a pretty killer view, stepping out onto the balcony. And this particular balcony will accommodate any sort of general patio furniture that you'd be bringing with you. Working our way back through towards the kitchen here. We have 20 total cabinets and drawers, all brand new updated appliances with a farm style sink here. So definitely more than enough storage space here in the kitchen to accommodate for you there. And then we do have this massive pantry on our right hand side here. And this guy is actually dual-sided, so you have more racks on both sides. Towards the bathroom, we do have the Jack and Jill style sinks. We'll have 4 total cabinets below the sink storage there. And then disattached will be your kind of shower area here. So you do get a full-size soaking tub there as well. Otherwise, working our way towards the bedroom. This guy will accommodate any size bed that you'd be bringing with you on the move. Whoa, having some crazy lighting issues here. But otherwise, you do have a window attached. You do get a lot of natural light there. And then just the general closetry is massive amounts to work with here. But to give you an idea, this guy actually goes all the way down, wall to wall. You're looking at about 13 total feet wide for the general closetry there. So again, this is our A2 floor plan, 702 square feet, apartment 1106 at 515 Clarkson.